Let's try again. Number 2. And we get the shaft coming off. That's it going. Over hot. Total cost of this whole kit, this was £8, this was £2, and this was about £8 as well. It was under £20 the whole lot, and obviously that was my first attempt, apart from a steel shaft, putter shaft, which came off really easy. That one's obviously put on pretty tight, but that graphite shaft is absolutely fine. There's nothing wrong with it. There's not any problems with it. The headwood didn't even get that hot. The head didn't even get that hot. Can you still hold on to it? So there you go. Hope that helps someone.